Hey guys, today we are making up Korean beef bulgogi or Korean ground beef. A simple, easy, delicious recipe that you can make up in about 20 minutes. Served over a bed of steaming hot rice, it's a great midweek meal and time saver. So let's make this up. Starting with a quarter cup of soy sauce. Now I'm using a low sodium soy sauce because I'm watching my sodium, but it's entirely up to you. Followed by a teaspoon of sesame oil, and if you like sesame oil, add a little bit more. Oops. Actually, that was a little bit more, but that's fine. A quarter cup of packed brown sugar. Now, you can use white, but I just like the brown. It gives that real nice molasses effect. 3 or 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic, depending on your liking. You know me, I just guts to have my garlic. A thumb-sized chopped ginger, and ginger is a necessity in this dish, guys. About a quarter teaspoon of hot pepper flakes, because you simply have to have that heat, but really, it's up to you. You know me, a few cracks of pepper, say about a teaspoon. Snag up my handy dandy teaspoon and just give this a mix until it's beautifully combined, and believe me, this smells good already, my friends. Okay, the sauce is made, now it's time to fire up the stove. Add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Add in a pound of lean ground beef. Now you don't have to use lean, you can use medium, whatever you like, but I just don't want a whole lot of fat. And we'll just go ahead and break this down a little bit. And you know guys, when you really think about it, there's no other protein as versatile as ground beef. Burgers, chili, spaghetti, I mean really, the sky's the limit. Okay, now that beef is just about browned up, we're going in with a small sliced onion. And stir and fry until that beef becomes brown and that onion is translucent. Now and only now, we're going back in with that sauce that we set aside, and oh my goodness guys, this is coming together and smelling so good. So you just want to stir this up and mix everything together really well and bring it to a boil. And just look at this, doesn't this look absolutely incredible? Wow, I just love it. As we said in the beginning of the video, we're going to spoon this up over a bed of steaming hot rice. Now I'm using jasmine here, but you can use basmati, whatever kind of rice you have on hand. Of course, you must spoon some of that ever so delicious sauce over the top. And to make everything pretty and delightful, garnish it up with some chopped green onions, some hot chilies, just for some additional heat. It's entirely up to you, but I like it. And that redness really makes it look pretty. Some sesame seeds. Just have to have sesame seeds. And there you have it, my friends, our Korean beef bulgogi, or Korean ground beef. 20 minutes, it doesn't get any easier, and it doesn't get any more delicious. It is simply, as I always say, a must make. And guys, you grab this up and bite into it, and I must say my chopsticking has become a whole lot better. It is absolutely incredible. That sauce is just so succulent. The peppers just give it that extra heat, and that sauce that is soaked down into the rice is just beyond belief. Believe me, you are going to love it. Hungry for more? Subscribe.